Today is story time.
Yes, story time. We're going to see Zizi and Jojo's story. Are you ready?
Yes.
Once upon a lovely day, when Zizi and Jojo were busy at play, Jojo suddenly let out a whoop. He was hungry for some vegetable soup. Zizi wondered what to do. She thought and then she knew.
What about we change the story to real?
Good idea. Let's do that. A recipe is all that they would need. They opened a cookbook and began to read. Carrots, beetroot and some long beans. Tomatoes, capsicum and spinach greens. Add them all to a big boiling pot. The soup will be ready piping hot. Now little Zizi and Jojo knew the veggies they had to get. They set off to find them, carrying a big basket. Jojo looked around the kitchen. He opened the refrigerator door. They peered into veggie tray and found vegetables and more. Can you spot spinach?
Yes, spinach.
Beetroot?
Yes, beetroot.
Pumpkin?
Yes, pumpkin.
They needed some crunchy carrots and tomatoes and radishes too. Zizi found them in the garden. That's where all of them grew. Then they went to the supermarket to look at what was there, but they found only a few veggies. They had to look for more elsewhere. Can you spot cabbage?
Yes, cabbage.
Can you spot beans?
Yes, beans.
Zizi and Jojo were tired now. They sat down under the trees. Suddenly they saw a man with a cart. He had cauliflowers and green peas. Can you spot radish?
Yes, radish.
Carrot?
Yes, carrot.
Bottle gourd?
Yes, bottle gourd.
Now we took all veggies in our home. Zizi and Jojo returned home with everything on their list. But did they forget something? Oh no, there is something they missed. The soup needs some butter, said Jojo, reading the cookbook. Butter could be in the cabinet. I have got to help. Zizi, look. Can you spot butter?
Yes, butter.
Can you spot salt?
Yes, salt and water.
Ting tong, rang the doorbell. Mrs. Baker was at the door. She said she had come to help them. They couldn't ask for more. Jojo washed the veggies. Mrs. Baker cut them up, tossed them into a pot of water boiling up. With a big wooden spoon, Mrs. Baker stirred the pot. Don't touch, she told Zizi, as the pot was really hot. Let's make a soup. Put some butter in a pan. Add some garlic and onion for taste. All the veggies. Some salt. Finally, the spinach. Add some water and cook it. Once it's done, sprinkle some pepper powder and taste it. The soup was finally ready. Mrs. Baker served it in bowls. There is a bowl for you too. Did you enjoy the story? Would you like to have some yummy soup too? Choose your favorite veggies and help a grown-up make some for you at home.
Thanks for watching. Click the red color button to subscribe. Kindly subscribe.